Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good and we are back with another new recipe today. This is a simple anchovy fish masala. This dish preparation is very simple and it does not have any hi-fi masalas. It is made with simple ingredients available in everyone's kitchen. So for this, I have taken 250 gram of anchovy fish marinated with salt and turmeric powder, a medium onion grated, 2 small tomatoes grated, 1 tablespoon of garlic grated, 3 to 4 green chilies. So to start preparing, first we'll fry the marinated fish till they turn golden and crispy. They should look something like this after being fried. Now to start with the masala, I'll take a pan and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add in the grated onions and fry it till they are golden. Once my onions are fried golden, I'll add in the garlic and then saute it till the raw smell goes away. You have to cook it in low flame. I'm cooking it in low flame as I have added very little oil. Hence, my masalas can get burned. Now, once the raw smell of the garlic goes away, I'll add in the grated tomatoes and the green chilies. For this, I will add in some water when it gets dry and saute this masala till they are well cooked. Add in some salt. I'll close the lid of the pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'll add in some powder masalas, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, add in some water and mix the powder masala with the prepared masala. Now basically here I will fry this masala till they are very well cooked and the oil starts separating from the masala. For this, I will add in some water when it gets dry and cook it again and then add in some time again. This will be the process of cooking the masala. Once you see the masalas are very well cooked and it has started coming and the oil started separating from it, it's time to add in half a cup of water and let this water come to a boil. Add in some salt. Once this water comes to a boil, we'll add in the fried fish. Mix this very well, but with light-handed as it may break the fish pieces. Now we'll cook the fish till they are nicely coated with the masala, and you can also check for the seasoning right here. If you need, you can add in some salt. After 4 to 5 minutes, my anchovy masala is ready and I'll garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. So my anchovy fish masala is ready to serve. You can serve it with hot steamed rice. It's a very simple yet very much delicious fish recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to us. And also, don't forget to hit the bell button to get many more notifications of our upcoming video. Thank you. Bye.